So hi guys, welcome back, and today I am going to show you how to paint a nice happy palm trees with watercolor. So at my last tutorial I made that from soft pastels. So today I am going to show you how to paint that nicely with some watercolors. I have did this experiment one time ago and it was really successful. So today I am going to show you that. So let's move to our video. So okay guys, I am back on my table and now I have took a 200 GSM paper. So now let's move. So if please avoid those bumps when I do the painting. Now I'll just take some tape and take this paper out. So let's just take this tape, remove this and now start taping. I'll just put it here and now I'll just cut this tape like this. And now I just cutted this paper, sorry, I mean tape. And now I'll just tape this. This is kinda hard. Oops. Yes. It's good and nice. Now once this is done, I will show you the brush size and the colors. Once let me finish this. Okay, cut this and then oops. And this like this and then do this. Please sorry for my head coming in front of your view. I need to see that it's neat, otherwise the painting will look ugly. And now we have taped our paper. I am using the wrong tape. You need to use the doctor's tape or masking tape. So it's currently locked down, so I can't buy that. So I took this and now I will show you the colors. Wait, let me clean my palette. Okay, I have cleaned it. So I made this palette. I bought some Camel student grade tubes, 12 shade 5 ml, and put it into these holes, and these are white and black. So these are normal 12 shades, so you will not need more than these 12. Then now I will show you how to paint. Now I have used a Crown Bind series number 12 brush and Faber-Castell Tri-Grip Synthetic 0 number brush. So this is for drawing those palm trees. So now let's get into shading. Just wet your brush and you will need two water bowls, one for dirty water and one for clean. So I am using this one for dirty water. Now I will take some water and put it inside of this and make some color. I just forgot one thing you will need. It's a small piece of cloth. So I will just bring it and meet you soon. So okay, I bought a cloth. I don't want to show that it's pretty ugly. Now I will make some color and then slowly make these strokes. This is like red color, but light red, like pink color. I just adjusted my camera so you could see the whole paper. And now we have finished this. Now take this to the dirty water and I will just wipe this on my cloth. Now take some clean water and now put some water in here. I am putting water in shades you will gonna need. We will need orange and some yellow ochre and some lemon yellow. You're gonna need these shades and some white and black if you need some darker shades. So I am not gonna use black. And now let's take this and then again darken the shade. We have to use the layering method, otherwise the colors will not get darker. I am using the layering method. And now clean your brush and then take some orange, put some water in it and then do this. You need to mix these colors nicely down there. Like that. Nice. 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 Again put some orange, clear our brush. I often forgot to clean my brush and then all the colors mess up. So please don't forget to clear your brush. And then again use orange here. And take them up, down, down. And now slowly stroke. And now we will move to more lighter shade. Move to more lighter shade. Please avoid that sound. And then add some water in yellow ochre. And then yes, this is the shade I need. Just do this. I know that the shades are kind of dull, so I'm gonna fix it. See, this 200 GSM paper gets bumps, so 300 GSM will not get bumps. I'm gonna alter it. And although this was my last paper, so I need to order more papers. Now, oops. Take more red, remove the excess color. If you like this palette and you want tutorials on watercolors, So tell me in the comments. Just do this. Now like this. It's pretty dark. And take the orange. Do this. Put some water in orange. Take the excess color and just do this. Okay, now and now our background color is ready, and now slowly stroke this to make it look good. So this will look good. And now done. So I will put this to dry for like 15 to 20 minutes and I will meet you there. Oh, okay guys, I have put this to dry for like 10 minutes and it's little bit of wet, but it's okay. So now just remove this tape gently. See the layers? See the layers? Layers slowly and then remove. Oops. Please don't get tear. Yes. And then like this. Okay. And now here we are gonna use the number 0 brush to get the small detailing of the palm trees. Now our painting is done, ready to frame. Just kidding. Now take some water and put it here, and we are gonna use some black color here. Slowly draw nice and little cute palm tree. Use little bit of water. Little bit of water, not much. Like this. And now don't get it on the white surface, otherwise the picture will look ugly. Yes, it's getting perfect. And now just slowly do the last steps that we did. If you want, you can make outline with some pencils. I have made this 2 or 3 times ago, so I don't need pencil to make some outline. Now take some paint. This paint is kinda getting liquidy because these were liquid paints. Just remove all of the water, and now take some amount of paint. I need the then slowly draw a small circle like that, that, and be sure that these are watercolors. You can't correct them. So be perfect. You can also practice them with oil pastels or soft pastels to make sure that you master this. Otherwise, when you do this in watercolor, it's 100% solid. It will not get removed. And if you try to remove it, the paint will get spoiled. So be sure to check this. Now, just slowly make the leaves of that. Slowly here. In watercolor, the detailing of the leaves is like perfect. So watercolor is a good medium to draw some detailed work. Watercolor and color pencils is really detailed. So let me just cut one of these strands. It's getting my painting imperfect. Yes. Done. So I cutted those two strands and again do this. I will do all of the leaves and 4 trees and I'll meet you after that. So I'll do and meet you. So okay guys, I have finished the trees. So there was lack of space, so I drew 3 trees. So I just didn't got idea of how much size should I use for the trees. So sorry for that. You can draw 2 trees also. That will also look good. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. And I will meet you in my next video. Bye.